Alishpa Noor got third position. In class 8B, Nisma Mariam got first position. Anusha Khan grabbed second position in class 8B. And third position is captured by Fatima Iqbal. In class 8C, Laiba Mazhar got first position. Alisha Nawaz got second position in class 8C. And Umama Inshal stood third. Now the turn of class 8D. I call Muhammad Awais, who got first position in class 8D. Muhammad Awais, first in class 8D. Second position is grabbed by Khurram Shahbaz.
I'll request the teachers, please ask the student to have the seats. Teachers, please, all of you, bring the students back to Pindal.
And Danish Sarfaraz got third position in class 8D. In class 8E, Muhammad Ahmad got first position. And second position by Muhammad Javed. And Irtaza Hussain got third position in class 8E. Now the turn of class 8F. Muhammad Ismail Khalid captured first position, that is equally shared by Hamza Mahmood. They both stood first in class 8F. Hamza Mahmood and Muhammad Ismail Khalid, they are sharing the first position in class 8F. Muhammad Hassan got third position in class 8F. In class 8G, first position by Muhammad Shavez. Second position by Awais Humayun Tarad. And Ziaur Rahman Siddiqui got third position in class 8G. In class 8H, Ali Gulzar stood first. Talha Zafar got second position. And third position by Muhammad Abdullah. Now the turn of Cambridge stream. We are starting from class O0. In O0, Maheen Ahmed stood first. She is also overall first in class O0. Maheen Ahmed is receiving her shield and certificate. Second position by Zainab Shafiq. She got second position in class O01. And third position by Vaniza Rasool. In class O02, Danial Ajmal got first position. He's coming to receive his shield and certificate. And second position is bagged by Roman Gulzar. And Muhammad Faizan got third position in class O02. In class O03, Ali Raza Khan got first position. Haider Khan Sikandar got second position. And Ali Naki stood third in class O03. Now I request the Principal Chenab College Jung, Mr. Zahid Khurshid Lodi, to present souvenir to our guest of honor, Dr. Mia Arif Salim Arif, Principal DPS Toba Tek Singh. Principal Chenab College Jung is presenting memento to the honorable guest. We are really grateful to you, sir, for sparing time for this function. Now I would like to request Mr. Muhammad Iqbal Mahmood, Principal Farhan College Jhang, to please come on stage and give away the prizes among the students. Now the turn of class 011. I call Minahil Khurram, who got first position in class 011 during the academic session 2017-18. Minahil Khurram. Myra Izhar got second position in class 011. And third position by Amate Mustafa. She captured third position in class 011. In class 012, Junaid Jamal got first position and he is also overall first in class 01. Junaid Jamal. Second position is backed by Ali Akbar. He is coming to receive his shield and certificate. And Daud Ahmed stood third in class 012. In class 021, Rohina Riaz got first position. Rohina Riaz is receiving her shield and certificate from our guest of honor, Mr. Muhammad Iqbal, Principal Farhan College Jhang. Kasfa Batul got second position. And third position is captured by Tahreem Fatma. In class 022, Abdur Rahman got first position and he is also overall first in class 02. Second position by Huzaifa Ahmed. And third position is shared by two students, Muhammad Ali Naveed and Dry Muhammad Umar Khan. Now the achievements regarding our Cambridge exams. The students who appear in the CAIE exam. Firoza Javed, she topped the college by securing 7 Asterics and 2 A's. Minahil Fatma secured 5 Asterics and 3 A's. Her mother, Ma'am Shazia Batul, is receiving her shield and certificate. Malaika Shehzad secured 4 Asterics and 4 A's, the high achievers of Cambridge exams conducted by the university in May, June 2018. Talha Ahmed, he secured 4 Asterics, 4 A's and 1 B. Now I call Arham Asjid, who secured 2 Asterics and 6 A's. Next is the turn of A-level. I call Hasib Ahmed, who topped the college by securing 3 Asterics. His brother Huzaifa Ahmed is receiving the shield and certificate on his behalf. Now I call Muiz Mushtaq, who secured 2 Asterics and 2 A's. His mother, Ma'am, our colleague, Ma'am Tasneem, is receiving shield and certificate on his behalf. And Muhammad Hazik secured 3 A's in the A-level exams conducted by CAIE in May, June. His mother is receiving shield and certificate. In class metric, exams conducted by Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Faisalabad, I call Muhammad Abdullah Nawaz. He was overall second in the college among boys in annual examination 2018 and he got 1082 marks out of 1100. Then comes Muhammad Fahad, who got 1078 marks out of 1100. He was overall third in college among boys. Usama Amjad got 1078 marks. He was also overall third in the college among boys in annual examination SSC conducted by Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Faisalabad. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request the Principal Chanab College Jung to present memento to our guest of honor, Mr. Mohammad Iqbal Mahmood. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Mohammad Naveed, Principal Punjab College Jung, to please come forward and honor the students by giving away the prizes. In class metric, Aisha got 1082 marks out of 1100 and she was overall first in college among girls in the annual examination conducted by Faisalabad board. Zahra Batul, she got 1082 marks and she was also overall first among girls in annual examination conducted by Faisalabad board. Zahra Batul. Tayyiba Qayyum got 1080 marks. She was overall second in college among girls. And Ganwa Baloch got 1079 marks. She was overall third in college among girls. Now the turn of class FSC. I call Muhammad Abrar Tariq. He got 1040 marks. He was overall first in college among boys in annual examination. Taimur Wajid got 1036 marks, declared as student of the year as well. He was overall second in college. And Muhammad Awais Khan got 1036 marks. He was also second in the college among boys. Among girls, I call Wajiha Tariq. She got 1024 marks. She was overall first in the college among girls in class FSC. Hajira Khan, she was overall second in college. Ifat Fayaz, she got 1018 marks out of 1100. She was overall second in college among girls. And Manal Fatma, overall third in the college among girls. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a panel of judges who are responsible to select best stage performer on the basis of today's performance on stage. And this year, the award goes to Muhammad Zain Ali. You have just seen his performance on the stage, who made everyone among us cry. An emotional act by him, Muhammad Zain Ali. Please give him a huge round of applause, Muhammad Zain Ali. In the role of Maqbool Hussain Sipahi, I call Muhammad Zain Ali. He is declared as best stage performer. Please put your hands together for his emotional act. Muhammad Zain Ali is receiving best stage performer award from the honorable guest of honor. Now I request Principal Chanab College Jung, Mr. Zahid Khurshid Lodi, to please present the souvenir to the Principal Punjab College Jung, Mr. Mohammad Naveed.